Hey, Mike Price here, Purple Wave, out here again with our friend Jim Johnson, taking a look at his Gold Key, one owner, 8260R tractor. Jim went himself to Waterloo, Iowa, and picked this thing up.
This was purchased before they put DEF in them, so this one does not require DEF. We bought it brand new. My wife claims this is her tractor. We did have a loader on it, which is being sold separately, but we still have the brackets and stuff on it. All it did was push snow in the wintertime. It has a 16-speed power shift in it, 4 reverse. It's been a good tractor. The front tires have been replaced once, but the rears are all original.
So if you want to take a look at this one owner Gold Key tractor or any of the other equipment, come out and see us. We got 2 open houses, December 17th and December 29th, both 9 to 3. This auction closes December 30th.